How's it going, everyone? Equinox Phoenix here, and today we have an unboxing. We'll be unboxing this package I got from Amazon Japan. Uh, yeah, I ordered something from. Oh my lord, the focus. There we go. I just went like 2p. Yes, I ordered something from Amazon Japan. To be fair, if you're subscribed to the gaming channel, you saw the unboxing earlier this morning, which is also from Japan. Because of course us Westerners don't get anything. Don't really get anything cool outside of, mainstream stuff. But hey, it is what it is. Right, I'm used to it. We used to get games here in the US, like, and also in Europe and stuff, like, really late. We got some cards, little pictures. I don't. What are these? It's not the meat of the thing. This is some kind of bonus, I guess. We got Yume Nishino from Aikatsu Stars. Oh, they're like photographs. You got Rola Sakuraba. We got official spelling. Rola. We have Akosa Atome. The cat girl. Not an actual cat, but you know. Mahiru Kasumi. She gets really based. Oof, Elza Forte, the perfect idol, as she's described. That is Kirara Hanazono. Rei Kizaki. I forget her name. Arya Futaba. Thank you. I forgot her first name. And back to Yume. Nice little bonus. To the order, unexpected as it were. I think I'm bleeding. Yeah, I'm bleeding. That's funny. First unboxing I've done where I cut myself. But now for the big meaty portion of the. Oh. Oh boy, this is a big one. Oh, there's a poster in here. Um, there's a poster in here. I'm not gonna unroll it. I mean, I guess I could. Let's unroll it. I've already hurt myself. Might as well go for gold. I'll unroll it, and then I guess I can try and roll it back. We got a poster of Yuzu Nikaido and Lily Shirogane. Nice. Nice, nice. Some photographs, a poster. These are all pre-order bonuses, by the way. I don't think like you get all of this stuff if you're to order it now after release. I will link it though in the description down below for anyone who wants it. Let's put this here. Now for the big meaty portion of the order. It's this. It is the Aikatsu Stars 5th Anniversary All-Stars Blu-ray box. These are the first set of Blu-rays I've ever owned in my life. Now, how do I open it? Oh, there we go. You know, I swear there was supposed to be like an acrylic stand or something that comes with it. I guess I was wrong on that one. Uh, or I was right, and you have a postcard or a bunch of postcards. All right, let's look at the postcards we got in the. Let's look at the postcards. First one up is Yume Nijuno again in. I'm pretty sure this is the this is the sundress. This is her sundress, which is cool. Rolla again in the Star Premium Rare cord. Kirara in a random cord. Cool. Lily Shirogane in the same cord that we have we did an unboxing of the figure for. Right there. I forget. This is the Star Premium Rare cord as well. The Rosetta Thorn cord is apparently the name. I have the box for for the figure on my desk still, along with the box for Altina. Then we have Hime Shiratori, I believe is her last name. Of course it doesn't say. And we're back to Yume. We got some postcards. We got some photos. So far, so good. Oh, we got a poster. And the acrylic stand of the based acrylic stand. It's Yume in the sundress. Fun fact: they were doing a vote on what it would be, which stand they were gonna do, and you could vote every day. And I, of course, being the Aikatsu fan that I am, I did vote, right? Because I was gonna buy it regardless of who won. But fun fact, the acrylic stand that I voted for is this one. Yue in the sundress. Now, where to put this on the shelf is the question. I guess I'll put it center stage on the Aikatsu shelf I have up here. I was gonna get the Cosmos figures, but yeah, that should be fine. It won't really show, but hey, it doesn't matter. It doesn't have to show for you guys. It has to show for me. You guys can't even see that part of the shelf when I sit up close. Anyway, I'm going to put the photographs and the postcards in the container. I love it. I love it. This is going in my desk for sure. I got drawers on drawers. Anyway, now we are in the big boy box. We got discs 1 through 4, 5 through 8, 9 through 12, 13, 16, and 17. And then there's like a little bit of an extra disc. Seemingly. See? 1 through 4, 5 through 8, 6 through 12, 13 to 16, 17, and then this. We're going to check out. Well, we're going to check them all out, to be fair. Oh, it's a booklet. It's not an extra disc, it's a booklet. Ooh, it's like a concept art almost. It's character art. It's an art book. Those of you from who also watch the gaming channel will know I love me my art books. It's like an art book. Um, it's also got information in Japanese, which my Japanese is not good. When it comes to reading, I'm not that good at reading. Though to be fair, I'm not good at reading English, so yeah. Cover is pretty plain. Um, Disc 17 is the movie apparently. Movie takes place during season 1. Now, the main question is where do each disc takes place within the series? There's 100 episodes, I believe. Disc 1 through 4 is the first 25 episodes, so the first 2 cores. I don't think you guys are gonna be able to see that. Yeah, it's not gonna show. Okay, I give up. I would need like the camera to be in like 4K or 8K. But yeah, that is the unboxing. I guess I should show you the box itself. Ooh, and I also did want to do something really like. I wanted to do something really memey. I'll still do it. Um, if you guys will recall, some of you may not. The PlayStation 3 functions as a Blu-ray player. Now I have a PlayStation 4. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna test. Does the PlayStation 4 keep that functionality? We're gonna test it with the movie. Disc 17. I should switch to the Elgato scene. Hold on. We're gonna test it. I have everything set up to launch my PS4. Oh. Yeah, I forgot about that. Scuffed gamer, scuffed gamer, scuffed YouTuber, scuffed YouTuber, live editing. Nope, it needs to be smaller. There we go. Anyway, we are gonna test it out. If it fails, no harm done. I'm getting a PS3 anyway. If it doesn't fail, then I have a Blu-ray player. Anyway, that's that. God, that scared me. Okay, y'all don't need to hear that. I apologize for your eardrums. I forgot that the PlayStation's volume is monumental for some reason. The disc is in. Now to see if it reads. I believe there's a media player. No. Oh! Wait! 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 There's no way! There's no way! There's no way! I have to turn on HDCP. Okay. Hopefully that doesn't break the Elgato. It broke the Elgato, didn't it? Yep. It broke the Elgato. Luckily, I just got electrocuted, by the way. You all didn't need to know that. But luckily, I can fix it. So it works, but I need to have HDCP enabled, which I cannot. Um, it's not working anymore. Bro, are you kidding me right now? Oh, nope, I got it working. Um, I can still show it actually. You won't see me anymore, but a take that, Sony. And also, you won't get the cup. Uh, Blu-ray disc live feature? No. You don't need that. Yes, I know I need to clean my monitor. Uh, my camera's really hot. Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. It's working! Woo! I could also just buy a Blu-ray disc player. The fact I hope it doesn't actually start the movie, by the way. The question of will this be the Oh, there's no sound by the way for me because my monitor's volume is off. Okay. Toei Company Limited. Okay, I'm gonna stop now. I'm gonna stop it now. Bandai Namco Pictures. Yep, it automatically starts the movie. Control panel. No. Oh, wait. There's subtitles? Oh. You can't get subtitles. I don't think. Uh, I'm trying to figure out if I'm kind of prolonging the video, kind of not. I'm actually trying to figure out if it's like even possible to watch it with subtitles. Uh, wait, on. Yeah. Okay. So I could probably get like Japanese. But that won't help me. Anyway. Close application. But yeah, it works. Um, with that lovely experiment done, that is the unboxing of the Aikatsu Stars 5th anniversary Blu-ray disc box thing. I should probably put it on the shelf, show you guys where it's gonna be. So let's do that, and then I'll end the video. Oh, I didn't technically show you the images on it. You got Mahiro and Rolla, Yume, Ako, and Koharu. Who we didn't get a card for Koharu. Or anything for Koharu. Damn. BMP really does dislike Koharu. Uh, Yes, this is the front. Okay. We'll place it right here. Right next to the Zelda Game & Watch thingy. Anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys haven't already, hit like, hit subscribe if you're new. I will see you guys next time, and as always, stay bright.